Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best aftermarket bandsaw fences that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grizzly Industrial H75-84 Resaw Fence. This Resaw fence has a removable extruded design, which is great because it allows you to conveniently lower the blade guides when working on normal projects. You only need a few adjustments to set up this fence, which is a good thing considering how easy it is to match the blade drift. It has an easy-to-attach resaw guide, which does a good job of steering your workpiece into the cut, improving control as well as accuracy. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Kreg KMS 7200 Bandsaw Fence. This product will adjust easily to the drift angle of your blade, which is great because it helps improve the accuracy of your bandsaw. It mounts successfully to most 14-inch bandsaws. You can also modify its design to fit other saws by simply drilling a hole in the mounting rail. You can conveniently change the position of the fence to a low profile, which allows you to move the blade guides closer to the workpiece. At number 3, we have the Magfence 2 Universal Magnetic Fence. This uniquely engineered tool has magnets on the bottom side and a little lever on the side for releasing the magnets. It has a universal fit, which is great because you will not need mounts or brackets for attachment. The whole thing just pulls itself down onto the table. This fence is super easy to square up to your blade, which is good because once squared, it holds up firmly for resawing and other woodworks. If you are working on a really big piece or a larger project that will exert more force on the fence, you can increase the magnetic force by adding 2 more switchable magnets. At number 2, we have the Grizzly Industrial H75-87 Bandsaw Fence. The fence is heavy and solidly built, making it ideal for 14 bandsaw or 14 by 14 tables, not to mention how easy it is to install. It has a removable extruded design, which is great because it allows you to effectively lower the blade guides for doing normal woodwork projects. Another great feature is the well-calibrated scale, which is a good thing considering how easy it is to properly configure the fence for a precise width of cut. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shopfox D3575 Resaw Fence. This fence has a removable extruded design, which is great for lowering the blade guides when working on the simple normal cutting projects. It is made to fit a limited variety of 17 inches front-to-back tabletop bandsaw, but you can modify it by drilling 2 holes to make it compatible with most bandsaws out there. This fence also comes with a properly calibrated micro-adjustment scale, which allows you to make fine adjustments when squaring to the blade. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.